Talk Flow English, Episode 8, Let's Talk Greetings. Part 1, The Basics.
Hey, Brian. Today we're going to talk about greetings in English. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I know some greetings, but I get confused sometimes.
That's totally normal.
Let's start with the basics.
Greetings for when you meet someone.
Okay,
The most common and friendly one is hello.
hello,
Great. You can also say hi. It's shorter and more casual.
hi,
Perfect. Now let's add a little more. You can say, hi, how are you?
hi, how are you?
Excellent. And I'll answer, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you.
Awesome, Brian. You can also ask, how's it going?
How's it going?
Yes, it's casual. You can use it with friends. For example, hey, Brian, how's it going?
It's going good.
Small correction. We say, it's going well.
It's going well. Got it.
Nice. Some other friendly greetings are, good morning. We use this before 12 p.m.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, from 12 to around 6 p.m.
Good afternoon and
And good evening, usually after 6 p.m.
good evening.
You're doing great. Now tell me, what would you say if you meet your teacher in the morning?
Good morning.
Perfect. And what about a friend at 2 p.m.?
Hi. Or good afternoon.
Both are great. Let's practice a short dialogue now.
Part 2, Introductions and Greetings in Context.
Imagine we're meeting for the first time. I'll go first. Hello, my name is Jessica. What's your name?
Hello, Jessica. My name is Brian.
Nice to meet you, Brian.
Nice to meet you too.
Great, that's a simple introduction. Now let's do it again with hi. Hi, I'm Jessica. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Brian.
Awesome. Now let's add, where are you from?
Okay,
Hi, I'm Jessica. What's your name?
I'm Brian.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Perfect. You can also say, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from the US. Let's try with more expressions now. You can say, good to see you, when you meet someone again. Also, long time no see. If it's been a while.
Long time no see.
Great. Now I'll say a sentence and you respond. Hi, Brian. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Good job.
Thank you.
Let's try one more, a little faster. Hello, my name's Jessica. What's your name?
I'm Brian. Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
Part 3, Polite Greetings and Saying Goodbye.
Now, let's learn some formal greetings and also how to say goodbye.
Okay, that's useful.
In formal situations like job interviews or emails, you might hear, good morning, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Great. Now let's talk about leaving or saying goodbye. The basic way is goodbye,
Goodbye.
but there are other common ways. Bye. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day.
Bye. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day. Excellent, Brian. Now let's try a final full conversation using greetings.
Hi, my name is Jessica. What's your name?
Hi, Jessica. I'm Brian. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing great. Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Oh, nice. Well, it was good to see you.
You too. See you later.
Take care. That's it for today. You did amazing. Keep practicing your greetings every day, and soon it will feel natural.
This is Talk Flow
English. See you in the next episode.
Si te gustó este episodio, suscríbete a Talk Flow English y activa la campanita. Y por supuesto, te espero con muchas ganas en nuestra próxima historia.